finds Delic. Back to Walton, shot, scores! A quick in and out from Kieran Walton. It's a power play goal, and it's now 2-1.
Well, even more important, they'll still have power play time, and Kieran Walton, what a shot.
Turns, fires it back the other way. Quick shot, scores!
What a pass from in behind the net. Caught the goaltender looking the opposite direction.
Well, he's made his presence known already tonight as the puck comes in front. Low backhand, Krawchuk with a great glove save as Carter Lowe was left all alone in front.
Now both these goaltenders have made some big stops when they've had to.
Kayshawn Aitchison to the net. Nice move, backhand, and a great glove save from Nate Krawchuk.
Well, Krawchuk's made some big stops in this one, and Kayshawn Aitchison found himself all alone in front of the net.
Bringing it around now. Chitteroni, shot, scores! Gavin Yules picks the top corner.